Welcome back to my video. My name is Kamran and you're watching Kamran Info. So in this video I'm going to let you know how to prepare for accountant interview in UAE. If you are in UAE, if you are in your home country, or if you are fresher, job seeker, or if you are working anywhere but you are planning to move to Dubai for accountant job. So if you don't know what is the accounting process, what is accountant interview process, model, interview questions, so I will let you know one by one everything. Category wise, HR round, technical round, manager round, UA related specific question, VAT related question, and behavioral question, soft skill, ERP related question, what kind of question you have to face and how to be prepared for that. So with the help of this question, definitely you can get yourself ready for an interview. So if you're new on my channel, so let me introduce myself. My name is Kamran. I'm working as accountant in UAE. I have overall 5 years of experience in accounting and I'm helping you guys to get your dream job. That's why I'm running YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very helpful for you. Watch till then and share with your friends. So let's start the video and we'll see category wise one by one interview questions for accountant job. So first round, which is generally called as a HR round, general round, in which you will have to face few questions. Tell me about yourself along with your background, accounting background. So in this you have to explain from your family background, educational background, past experience, achievement and your skills. ERP skills, soft skills, Excel skill, whatever you have, just put in one go. Then they will ask, what is your salary expectation? What is your notice period? This question just because of to match the criteria whether you are suitable or not. If your salary expectation is 10,000 AD and they have budget 5,000, you will get rejected. So this is, they will ask this kind of question. So be ready with your expectation, with your notice period, just let them know. Next round, they will ask, why do you want to work with our organization or company? So for this question, you have to be ready. You have to read about the company, company policy, company business model, company achievement, everything, what company actually do. So you can easily explain in an interview. So wherever you are going for an interview, whatever the company, just read about that. If you don't know about the company history, company business model, so how will you explain? Let's talk about next round, which is generally called as a technical accounting round, technical round, manager round, and finance manager round. Generally they call like that. So in that you have to face accounting technical question. Okay, first explain the difference between accounts payable and account receivable. If I'm going to answer each question, this video is going to be very lengthy, so just listen the question and be prepared with this question. You can get the answer from the Google, you can get the answer from the YouTube as well. So just clear with this question, like just be ready with that, like this kind of question I have to face in an interview. Okay, so first round, explain difference between accounts payable and account receivable. Okay, what is the difference between accrual basis and cash basis accounting? Next, how do you reconcile bank statement, which is a very common, which is very question every interviewer asks this kind of question. Next, what is the depreciation, what is the amortization, and next, what is the difference between allocated cash, unallocated cash, identify cash, unidentified cash, what is the suspense account, what is the two-way matching, three-way matching, what is the PO, what is the open PO, and what is the input tax, what is the output tax, what is this type of payment, what is the vendor reconciliation, vendor management, this kind of question they will ask definitely. If you're talking about next category, so which is UAE specific question, UAE related question. So what do you know about UAE VAT and how do you account for input and output VAT? Talking about next, how do you handle VAT return filing in UAE? If you're not in UAE, if you're fresher here, so this kind of question they will not ask, because you're fresher, you're coming from the India. If you have UAE experience, then definitely they will ask this kind of question. Next, what is the UAE corporate tax and what are the penalties for the late VAT filing or incorrect reporting? And this question also they will ask, how do free zone company differ from the mainland company in terms of tax and reporting? So you have to read that question as well. Next, how do you ensure data accuracy when you are entering an accounting software? How do you make sure the data is correct? Whatever I'm entering, whatever data entry I'm doing in accounting software, which is correct, how do you make sure? So you have to be ready with the answer. Talking about next, how comfortable are you with Excel? How will you rate your Excel out of 10? So you have to answer for this question. I will rate myself as per your Excel knowledge. But if you have less knowledge, so don't tell 7, 8, 9, just tell 4, 5, because Excel is void. So as accountant, generally we required Excel formulas like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot table formulas, if average count and all. This is enough if you're as a like 1 or 2 year of experience, which is enough. So let's talk about next category, which is problem solving and situational basis question. So maybe interviewer give you a scenario situation like a supplier claim that you haven't paid for the invoice, but you believe that you have paid for the invoice. So how will you resolve it? So you have to resolve it. How do we resolve? You have to be prepared. You have to think. Okay. Next, a discrepancy appear in your trial balance. What step will you take to fix it? Okay. So this kind of other scenario they will give you. So be ready for that. If you are like strong with the accounting background, so definitely you will be able to answer. If you're talking about next, so behavioral and soft skill. Give me an example of a time you work under pressure to meet a deadline. In your past companies, past organization, if you have worked like that situation, you are under pressure, like in month end is about to close, you have work, you have tasks to complete, so you can explain like that. So next, describe a situation where you reduce cost and improve efficiency. If you have work, if you're familiar with that, so you can easily answer. Next, this question is very important. They will ask, how do you prioritize tasks when you have multiple urgent jobs? If you have multiple pending work, then how do you prioritize your work? Next, how do you communicate financial data to non-financial manager? So this kind of question, interviewer 100%, 95% going to ask this kind of question. So I hope you are familiar with that. You relate with that. HR round, technical round, UA related question, accounting software and tools, and problem solving skill and soft skill and all. So this kind of category you can categorize and you can get yourself ready for an interview. I hope this video is very helpful for you.